Not every drain cleaning machine is built for real clogging jobs. Many lose power when facing stubborn blockages. And when the work stops, time and effort get wasted fast. Here are the 5 best drain cleaning machines you should know. So, let's get started. Starting at number 5 is the VEVOR drain cleaner machine. A solid entry-level option designed for homeowners who want a reliable solution for occasional clogs without calling a plumber every time. This machine is built with a portable design, making it easy to move around the house when dealing with blocked sinks, showers or small drain lines. The compact structure makes storage simple, which is helpful if you don't have a dedicated workshop space. One of its key features is its powerful motor system, which provides enough strength to clear common household clogs, such as hair buildup, grease and soap residue. This makes it suitable for everyday plumbing maintenance. The unit also includes a flexible drain cable, allowing it to navigate curved pipes more effectively. This helps improve its reach and performance in typical residential plumbing systems. Another advantage is its durable construction, which helps it withstand repeated use. It's built with practicality in mind, offering dependable operation without unnecessary complexity. However, compared to higher-ranked models, it may not provide the extended cable length or heavy-duty performance required for large or deeply clogged sewer lines. Overall, if you're looking for a budget-friendly drain cleaning machine for light household maintenance, the VEVOR drain cleaner machine is a dependable starting option that earns the number 5 spot. Coming in at number 4 is the Pro Cordless Electric Drain Auger. A convenient option designed for users who want cordless flexibility and easy handling. This machine stands out because of its cordless operation, allowing you to work freely without worrying about power outlets. This is especially useful for outdoor drains or areas where power access is limited. It features an auto-feed cable system, which simplifies operation by automatically pushing the cable forward. This reduces manual effort and makes the tool easier to use even for beginners. The compact size makes it ideal for tight spaces such as under sinks or behind appliances. It's also lightweight enough to carry comfortably during extended tasks. Another advantage is its replaceable cable system, which helps extend the lifespan of the machine and makes maintenance easier. However, while it offers excellent portability, it may not deliver the same level of heavy-duty power as larger professional-grade units. Still, if you want a portable, easy-to-use drain auger for everyday household clogs, the Pro Cordless Electric Drain Auger is a practical choice that earns the number 4 spot. Taking the number 3 spot is the POPULO 20-volt cordless electric drain auger, a well-balanced machine designed for users who need strong performance with cordless convenience. This model is powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, delivering reliable strength to tackle common drain blockages like grease buildup and soap residue. The cordless system makes it highly convenient for moving between different work areas. One of its standout features is its 25-foot flexible cable, which provides sufficient reach for most household drains. This length allows you to clear blockages deeper inside pipes compared to shorter cables. The machine also includes an auto-feed mechanism, helping guide the cable smoothly into pipes. This reduces the effort required and improves efficiency during operation. Another advantage is its ergonomic design, which improves handling and reduces fatigue when working on stubborn clogs. Compared to basic models, this auger offers better power and reach, making it suitable for more demanding residential plumbing tasks. However, while it performs well for most homes, it may not be powerful enough for commercial-level plumbing jobs. At number 2 is the Albott Electric Drain Cleaner. A heavy-duty option designed for users who need strong performance for tougher drain issues. This machine stands out with its high-powered motor, capable of handling stubborn clogs such as compacted debris and deep pipe blockages. It's suitable for both residential and light commercial use. One of its biggest strengths is its auto-feed cable system, which allows the cable to move forward smoothly without requiring excessive manual effort. This helps speed up the cleaning process and improves efficiency. The extended cable length allows it to reach deeper into plumbing systems, making it ideal for clearing difficult clogs that standard tools struggle with. Another advantage is its durable construction, designed to withstand repeated use in demanding conditions. This makes it a reliable option for users who frequently deal with plumbing maintenance. Compared to smaller cordless units, the Albott delivers greater power and improved reach, making it suitable for more serious drain cleaning tasks. However, due to its size and strength, it may feel slightly heavier and less portable than compact models. If you need a strong and dependable drain cleaner for frequent use, the Albott electric drain cleaner earns the number 2 spot. Taking the number 1 spot is the POPULO upgraded electric sewer drain snake auger, a powerful and advanced machine designed for users who want maximum performance and reliability. This upgraded model stands out with its extended cable length, allowing it to reach deeper into pipes and clear stubborn blockages more effectively than standard machines. One of its biggest advantages is its enhanced motor performance, delivering strong torque that helps break through tough clogs such as grease buildup, roots and debris. It also features an auto-feed cable system, which makes operation smooth and efficient. This reduces strain on the user and improves overall cleaning speed. Another standout feature is its durable build quality, designed to handle repeated, heavy use without losing performance. The ergonomic design also improves handling, making it easier to control during operation. Compared to other machines on this list, this upgraded model offers the best balance of power, reach, and reliability, making it suitable for demanding plumbing tasks. While it may require a slightly higher investment, the performance benefits make it well worth the cost. If you want a high-performance drain cleaning machine capable of handling tough clogs, the POPULO upgraded electric sewer drain snake auger easily takes the number 1 spot.